Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set multiple custom destinations in Google Maps. So if you have Google Maps available in your phone, that is convenient. But if you don't have, then you can just type in the Chrome for maps and it will show up. So let's have here an example of a destination that we want to go. So for us to create a multiple destination, tap these three dots on the upper right corner of your phone and you will see these options. All you have to do is to tap add stop, and then just type in the place that you want to stop, or just browse here whether it's a gas station, restaurant, or another location that you want to. So for example, this one, so I want to go here, so just click that add stop button. So you have now your A and then B, and then if you want to add more stop, then you can just click again and then just choose the next stop that you wish to go. So for example, a gas station, you want to go to any gas station nearby. So just tap on it. Okay, so we have now 3 stops in here, or 3 destinations that we want to go. So tap done if you're done, and you will see this information here, the number of hours, and it will also give you the fastest route because of maybe traffic conditions. So you can just customize everything in here. And if you think that you're done, then you can just tap that start button that you can see on the bottom left corner of your phone, and then you are good to go. So that's the process on how to set multiple destinations on Google Maps. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more updates.